In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Areej Fatma and I am from BS Chemistry Department. Next is the fourth chapter of Python, which is data manipulation with pandas. Here are the contents. First, we will see transforming data frames, then aggregating data frames, then slicing and indexing, and at last, visualizing data frames. In the first chapter, transforming data frames, we will see parts of a data frame. For example, import pandas using alias pd, uh, import pandas as pd, then print the values of homelessness. Simply type print into homelessness dot values, then print the column index of homelessness, then simply type print homelessness and into columns in place of values, then print the row index of homelessness. Row index means print into homelessness dot index. Next is subsetting rows. Simple filter for rows where family members is less than 1000 and region is Pacific. Then see the result by typing print into fam lt 1k pack. Adding new columns, add total call as sum of individuals and family members, then homelessness into total is equal to homelessness individuals plus homelessness family members. Individuals and family members are the two columns and we add total. Then add P individuals column as proportion of total that are individuals. Homelessness P individuals is equal to homelessness individuals divide homelessness total. Then see the result, print homelessness. In the second chapter, aggregating data frames, we will see mean and median. Print the head of the sales data frame, type print into sales.head into bracket, then print the information about the sales data frame, then simply type print sales and info instead of head, then print the mean of weekly sales. How many sales are in a week? Find the mean, print into sales weekly sales dot mean bracket, then print the median of weekly sales, then simply type median instead of mean in the query. Then dropping duplicates. First is drop duplicates, store or type combinations. Store types sales dot drop duplicates subset store type, then print store types dot head, then drop duplicates store by department combinations. First we will see store type combination, then store department combination, then subset the rows where is holiday is true and drop duplicate dates. Holiday dates is equal to sales into sales is holiday into drop duplicate subset is equal to date, then print date column of holiday dates, then simply type print into holiday dates into inverted commas dates. Then multiple grouped summaries. Import numpy with alias np, simply import numpy as np. Then for each store type, aggregate weekly sales, get minimum, maximum, mean and median. Sales stats, sales group by, then type into weekly sales, aggregate into bracket all the functions, for example minimum as min, maximum as max, and mean as np dot mean and median as np dot median. Then print sales stats for each store type, aggregate unemployment and fuel price USD per liter, get minimum, maximum, mean and median. As above, we simply type all the functions. Then print unemployed fuel stats. The third chapter is slicing and indexing data frames. First is explicit indexes. Look at temperatures, print into temperatures, then index temperatures by city. Temperatures index, temperatures dot set index into city. Then look at temperatures index. Simply type print into temperature underscore int. Reset the index keeping its contents. Print into temperatures underscore int dot reset index. Then reset the index dropping its contents. Dropping drop is equal to true by simply type print into temperatures in dot reset index dot drop is equal to true. Then slicing data frame. In slicing data frame, subset rows from India, Hyderabad to Iraq, Baghdad. Print temperatures srt dot log into India, Hyderabad, Iraq, and Baghdad. Then subset columns from date to average temperature. Then subset in both directions at once. Visualizing your data frame. Import matplotlib.pyplot with alias plt. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Look at the first few rows of data, then print avocados.head. Get the total number of avocados sold of each size. Then create a bar plot of number of avocados sold by size. Then show the plot. Here is the certificate which is given me on completion of data manipulation with Pandas. That's all. Thank you.